So we're looking at the Seagate Backup Plus Portable. This is the light blue version. As you can see, that's got the white outside. Now this is an aluminium frame, which is different to the Backup Plus Ultra Touch, which is that fabric mesh. So it's going to be a bit sturdier and you're going to get up to 5 terabytes. So we're just going to take a quick look at it, what comes in the box. First, you'll notice that you do get the Adobe Creative Cloud for 2 months. And you also get 1 year of Mylio, or however you say that, which is basically just a photo organization tool. What else do they say here? It is compact and small drive, massive storage, and it does come with exFAT as stock, which is a good formatting to have, so it's usable on all devices. Now, first thing when you open, it comes upside down. Just in case you didn't realize. You have some information about Mylio, how to redeem it, not that relevant for this. Then your Creative Cloud photography plan, Backup Plus Portable and Backup Plus Slim, basically just about how to plug it in and how to install the Seagate software if you really want to, and just your standard information. So first thing you notice is when I turn it around, if I can get to it, so this comes in this blue color, which doesn't look the same as the box. It's probably cooler because it's sort of like a sky blue, a little bit grayish, but I like the aluminium touch. The fabric does feel good, but the aluminium is obviously going to be stronger. And the size it is, the dimensions are, let me just get those up. They are roughly 4.5 inches by basically 115 mil, so about 10 centimeters, 11 centimeters that way, by about 8 centimeters this way, and almost 2 centimeters thick that way, and it weighs in at 265 grams. So it comes in 4 terabytes and 5 terabytes, but the issue is you only get, not only, but you get 2 years warranty as opposed to some of the other Seagate products like the SSDs that end up with 3. But it is a little bit chunky because it is an old spinning disk hard drive. It's not an SSD that's going to be a lot smaller, and it comes in 5 terabytes though, which is a big plus. Then underneath you have your USB-A, so no USB-C adapter, just your normal USB type A, and this side which goes into the hard drive. So that's basically all you're going to get here. It's quite simple. You just plug and play and you're ready to go because it is exFAT. It'll work on Windows and Mac straight out of the box. If you do want to use Time Machine on Mac, you have to reformat it to either APFS or Mac OS Journal, which is quite simple, but now we'll go and take a quick look at it. So the great thing about this hard drive is that it comes in 5 terabytes for only around 200 bucks, which is quite affordable given that laptop sizes are decreasing in terms of storage size. 128, 256 is sort of your entry level, which doesn't fit a whole lot at all, especially if your operating system is taking up 30, 40 gigs as it is. So for this to come with 5 terabytes, basically you'll be able to use it to put everything you want on it for many years to come, given that there's so much on there. And there is also a 4 terabyte option, which is a little bit cheaper, but you may as well go for the 5 terabytes. Would have been good to have a USB-C adapter, as they are starting to provide that now, and a lot of laptops nowadays don't have USB type A ports because that's the way that things are going, but it does act quite well. We've used it on Mac and Windows, and your average read and write speed is around 150 megabytes per second. Read and write are roughly similar, varies between 140 and 150. Seagate always provides the best warranty, 2 years here, 3 years for some of the SSD products, but given that the hard drives are sort of getting a bit dated now, 2 years is still quite good. And it performs reasonably well. We've used it as a time machine and it backs things up quite quickly. It provides a good compromise between the amount of space you're getting, which is 5 terabytes, which is absolutely huge, and also the speed. So 150 megabytes. Your SSDs will probably be around the 450 megabyte mark, so they're clearly going to be a lot quicker, at about 2 to 3 times quicker. but you're not going to get as much storage space with them. With the little added benefits you get with the little creative plans, it does make a good option here, and it is cheap. That's what you're going to get it for, and reliable. I've been using Seagates for a while now and basically been having them on running all day, the spinning disc, and never had an issue with them. So Seagate does really good hard drives, especially for the amount of space you're getting. So there's the Seagate Backup Plus Portable 5TB hard drive that we've just taken a look at. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.
We don't feel like it.